Hi, hey, hello, this is teacher Aliona. I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel where we are learning most natural, most flawless English, as well as master American accent and pronunciation. Today, I'd like to talk about how to improve your writing. Even though there are many apps that can help you with spelling and grammar check, they are not always right, trust me. But before we move forward, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, it does help to support my channel. Let's go!
Jebać Putina, kurwę I skurwysyna. Jebać Putina, co znów wojnę zaczyna.
Throughout my career as a teacher and an interpreter, I've encountered many cases of apps like Grammarly, BeWriter, Hemingway failing at correcting correctly. That's why I'm here to explain to you a few things which are really important when it comes to punctuation. And the first chapter is comma and how to use it. Let's look at this example. I had eggs, juice, and toasts for breakfast. As you can see, I'm specifying 3 objects I had for my breakfast. I need to put comma before and. Let's have a look what happens if I don't put a comma before and. I had eggs, juice, and toasts for breakfast. Yeah, kind of weird because as you can see, it turns into 2 objects. Therefore, it changes the meaning of your sentence. This comma is called Oxford comma. In most cases, we use it for listing things. So to avoid misunderstanding, it's better to use it. So to practice, leave a comment below and tell me what you had for breakfast. Chapter 2. Colon and how to use it. Let's begin with a couple of common mistakes. The types of my favorite apples are red, green, and yellow. So to correct the sentence, just simply remove the colons. I'll explain to you why. Colons are usually used to introduce lists, nouns or noun phrases, quotes, or examples, as well as you can use it to draw someone's attention. To make it easier to understand where to exactly use a colon, just ask yourself, can this sentence be finished before the usage of colon? If yes, it means you have to put it. We covered many fundamentals in our writing class. Full stop. It's a separate, independent sentence. But I've got a list that I would like to include. That's why I need a colon for this. To practice this topic, please leave a comment below with your favorite quote. And who said that? Chapter 3. Dash and how to use it. Even the simplest tasks, washing, dressing, and going to work, were nearly impossible after I broke my leg. The list in the middle adds some more information to the sentence, but actually it's not really necessary, the whole sentence itself. But why not use commas, you ask? There's too many of them inside. It actually looks and reads much better with dashes from both sides. Compare yourself. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 commas, seriously? That's why when it comes to additional information in your sentence and you want to include it, and it's actually, for example, a list of things, use dashes from both sides. Look, after this video, you've learned how to use Oxford commas correctly, how to use colons and dashes. Look at you! I really hope it was useful. I gotta say one last thing. Be safe, sound, and see you around. Love ya! Mwah.